Hi, I'm Jason Dubendorfer, IQS Specialist on the marketing team. Today we're going to talk about SQS software. Let's get started. And in this episode, we're going to add a bolt case. So here you have your initial image, but now you have to put the bolts on here to make sure that the operator knows where and in what order that they have to do the tightenings. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on bolt. We're going to name the bolt case. In this one, I'm going to call it 1, 2, 3. Now I can add the number of bolts that's required in count. I know that this one operation takes 4 bolts. So we're going to add those 4 bolts. They're going to appear in the upper left-hand corner. Now you can grab them, drag them, and drop them wherever you need them on the screen. Please know that they will fall on the screen always in the upper left corner, going from 1, 2, 3, and then 4 that we've already moved. So that these bolts can be positioned anywhere you want. Please know that we can also change the size of the bolts if you want them larger, if you want them smaller, whatever the case may be. We can also change shapes and colors. So please make sure that you always click apply as well. So then that way at the end, those bolts will stay in position.